So today I want to show you a Photoshop trick. That is how to remove an image from a background using the path tool in Photoshop. So you open your Photoshop, you select the image you want. I have my image on the desktop. I'll just drag and drop it in Photoshop. So I'm going to remove this image from the background using the path tool. You select the path tool, you just draw a line around your image. It doesn't need to be a perfect line. However, I first want to create a copy of this image so that we can see the difference with the original. So let's draw a line around this image. Once it is complete, you can just drag the image in any of the directions and you see how it disappears. There the image is gone. Once you feel it's okay, you just release your mouse and you can see the difference with the original. However, this is not really perfect. As you can see, this line is a bit bending and someone can easily see that you did something here, but you can choose to do this perfectly. You give it time, you do it slowly. I'm going to delete this and try to do it again, and still select the path tool, can draw the line again around the image, just something not really perfect line. So we can make a copy and then we move the image away. So you can see this is so close. You can see the line, the bend is there, but not really so much. We're going to try it one more time and make sure that this line remains straight, like nothing really happened here. So it takes some bit of time. You need to give yourself time to do it perfectly. You don't need to rush the way I'm doing. So let me delete that and then create a copy, and this time I really want to ensure this line is straight. So can make a line again around the image, like this, and then we try to move it slowly this time and ensure that the line doesn't go off there. Then you push it a bit. So I feel this is okay. I feel this is perfect. So you can see how the line doesn't show any variation. Like no one can see from this line that something was removed from here. So this is how you can use path tool to remove an image from the background. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe for more.